Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn our computer grade 4 book chapter number 6 of part 1 formatting in Word 2013. As we all have read in the chapter that formatting in a Word document is about to make changes. So here some of the questions are asked about the chapter. Let's do it. Our first question is, write T for true and F for false one. First one is, you can change both horizontal and vertical alignment of text. So it's true. Yes, we can change the vertical and horizontal alignment of the text. Second one is, to change the margins of the page, click the page layout tab. The layout of the tab is used when we have to change a margin. As you all know, the pages have margin and we write in between these margins. So this is known as page layout. So we can change the margins of a page using the option page layout. Next one is, the default bottom margin of the page is 1 inch. Yes, it's true. Next one is, you can set the text in a maximum of 3 columns. No, it's false, because we have a variety of options to type a document in Word. We can have 2 columns, 3 columns. It depends upon the scenario which is going to be held. Last one is, in the landscape orientation, text is printed along the width of the page. It's false, because in the landscape orientation the text is not printed along the width of the page. Landscape is just like this, and the text is not printed in the width of the page, so this statement is false. Next question is, choose the correct option. First one is, click this tab to print a document. As shown in the statement, to print a document we should have a main option so that we can print the document or have the print option. So file is the option from where we can print a document. Next one is, this tab has the option to display rulers. So view is the option to display the rulers. Next one is, dash alignment refer to the position of text in relation to the left and right page margins. So horizontal is the alignment of the text which refers to the position of text in relation to left and right page margins. The default top margin of a page is 1 inch, as we have already done in the fill in the blanks. Next one is, dash refer to the direction in which the page is printed. Orientation. That's all with the choose options. Moving on to the next question, which is, define default setting. As shown in the name, the default setting is the predefined setting of the software. So keeping it in mind, we can have the answer, setting that are standard or predefined in a software are called defined setting or default setting. Question number 2 is, what does formatting means? As I have told you earlier in the topic formatting in Word 2013, that formatting means to make changes. And where do we can make changes? Obviously in the document. So to make changes, formatting is used, and changes can be of many types, either of text, either it is of orientation of the document, either it is the placement of the document in any file or folder, etc. What is page formatting and which type of 2013 is used formatting? Making changes to the setting of a page is called page formatting. Layout tab of Word 2013 is used for page formatting. In page formatting, we can have the margin option, the size of the text, color of the text, its placement, etc. These are some examples of formatting. So, in the layout tab of Word 2013, we can have the page formatting and can have these options as well. Question number 4. What do you mean by margin Word 2013? What is default margin setting? As we can have an idea about the margin, that is the white space between the text and edge of the page on all four sides is called margin. Let me give you an example of margin. For example, this is a Word document. This is the white space. We can assume it as the margin, and you can write the text here. So, now read again. The white space between the text and edge of the page on all four sides is called margin. In Word 2013, the default setting for top, bottom, left and right margins is 1 inch. For example, this is our document and here is the 1 inch difference between all the four sides of the documents to the screen. This is 1 inch of the document difference, and here the text is written. I hope you understand the meaning of the answer. Let's move on to the next question number 5. Write the keyboard shortcuts to change the line spacing. Keyboard had some shortcut keys, of which we will answer these two, the single or double. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl +1 is used for single line spacing and Ctrl +2 is used for double line spacing. Next question is, how you insert a page break in a document? Page break means if here the page is ended, if I wish, I will start the next lines from here. This is the page break. Horizontal alignment is the position of the text in relation to the left and right page margins. Vertical alignment is the position of text in relation to the top and bottom page margins. Here are the two page break options: horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. Next and the last question is question number 7. In Word 2013, look at the paper tab. If you have practiced the Word 2013, you can have the tabs in which the paper tab is there. Explore the different paper sizes and in particular note the dimensions, width and height of A4 size paper, which is standard size. Why do you think A4 size paper is the most widely used size of paper? Why not a smaller size or bigger size? So, Answer is A4 is the most widely used size of paper because it is a convenient size that has become the standard size in most countries. And let me tell you one thing, that the printer uses A4 size and it is the standard size which is used all along the world for printing. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.